Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is October the 3rd, 2021. This is going to be our Algorand price prediction. This Algo crypto price was on a steep decline recently. Is it a buy in October or is it a sell? Let's try to figure that out today on this particular video. We're going to give you all a price prediction in the market today for Algo. So before I get started, make sure you tap in with me. Make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel to ensure you stay updated on whenever the price changes in the market for these cryptocurrencies. We want to make sure that each and every one of us is able to eat off the market. And the way that you can do that is by simply predicting where price is going to go without being confused. So check it out. Before I see whether or not the market price in Algo is a buy or a sell, we're going to talk about our last price prediction. You can see it right here. I'm going to be real with you. I'm going to show you that we did not get our price prediction correct in Algorand on our last video, which was on September the 7th. Yeah, look at it, right? We were playing the weakness into the market in Algorand right here on September the 7th. Man, look at that. The price did not even go the way that we expected it to go. Instead of it going down, it went up, massively up. You guys can see here since the 7th of September, right, on the close, the market in Algorand went up 100%. 100% the price went up in Algorand, right? Now take a look at the price decline, right? It's been on a very steep decline from September the 13th all the way to the low of this particular day. September 21st, the market has lost 40%. So we increased 100%, lost 40% into the market in Algorand. What are we going to do now, right? Let's go ahead and first of all get rid of this price prediction. If we were to get off the market right now in Algorand, we'll be down 43%. Okay, it goes that way. We don't get them right every time, and when it doesn't go right, we'll still talk about it. We won't try to hide it, put it in the back of our archive to try to act like we never saw this thing coming. We didn't get this one right. So let's move on. Let's predict where the price is going to go now, because actually we've seen some pretty good things occurring to the market in Algorand of late. One of them has been, rather than this price in Algorand holding this ascending line, rather than the price coming all the way down to this ascending line, price in Algorand was able to hold support up here, right around this vicinity. So it kind of tells us that the market is not really trending on this ascending line. It's not. Instead, it's keeping the support price up right there around $1.60. So momentarily, for the month of October, we are going to get rid of this ascending line. We don't need to keep watch of it because the price has already determined that it wants to hold this area for support. Okay, around $1.60. Excellent. Because we needed to see this information to see how strong this market in Algorand really is. Okay. So let me go ahead and let's create this support area now into the market in Algorand. So going forward in the month of October, real simple, as long as price stays above $1.60, understand the market's going to continue to trade sideways, and at best, we're going to continue to see the market go up. It's just that easy, just that simple. We've already identified the cross section between the market going up versus the market going down, and it's right there at $1.60. Okay, so now check this out. Can we still see some strength involved into the market in Algorand based off what the market has done so far for the month of October, the last 3 days? Let's see. Let's take a look at the market on a 3-day time frame, right? Look at that. This market price in Algorand is still vigorously strong. This 3-day price bar is literally still telling us that people want to increase its price, that people are still interested in moving the value of Algorand from going down to finally coming up in price. It's easy. It's simple. Check this out. Let's look at the market in Algorand on the weekly time frame, right? Look at this on the weekly. We're still seeing the ability of the market in Algorand going up. Now, give me this, right? Give me some leeway. We got 8 hours and 32 minutes left. So we cannot be too dependent on what we're getting right now. Because understandably, as we start the new trading week, this market is not going to look the same in Algorand in the next 8 hours. So based off right now, the market looks pretty good. It looks strong. It looks like it wants to continue to go up in price. No issues with that. Now, let's look at this to see. Now, since we're looking at the market in Algorand to go up, we really need to make a determination. Okay, cool. If we're looking for the price in Algorand to go up, how high are you expecting it to go before we see some more weakness and price comes back down? That's one thing a lot of people don't tell you on YouTube. Yeah, they tell you that the market is a buy, but they don't tell you how far the market is a buy. At what point would you say, okay, I'm looking for the price in Algorand to come up to, $2.20, and then I'll be expecting some selling to come through. You don't see that on YouTube. We're the only spot that's giving you that ability to anticipate how high the price is going to go. So I'm looking at this on a weekly time frame, and currently I'm already adjusting where restriction can be. Right there around $2. That was the nearest area that we can expect to see the market get hit with selling. $2. And we're not even that far right now. We're 8 cents away. So if you're not in this market right now in Algorand, you might want to wait, because if we cannot crack above $2 to the upside, understand we will continue to go lower in price. That is the first test that this market is going to have to endure to really see how strong we are in Algorand during the month of October. So let's look at the chart on the 2-day time frame. Can you see that? There is a very shallow area of restriction in the market in Algorand right about here. Right? That's a problem. Everyone, that is an issue. Nobody's going to give you that information. They're going to tell you that the market's going to continue to shoot up to $1,500 in Algorand. But we cannot. We got to see the price break above $2 first. If we can't do that, then we understand that the movement that we've been through the last 4 days in trading is fake. It's not real. It was a momentary thing that the trap utilized to trick us, to make us think that the price is going to go up, right? But now, relax, because I'm still looking for the price to go up in Algorand, though. I'm still looking for the market to go up. So let's check this out. Let's look at this to try to gauge, okay, how high this price can go. We have to focus in on this area right here for us to determine how high can this price go in Algorand before we see some selling. All right, so I'm seeing 3 areas. First one is $2. Second area is $2.10. And then ultimately, third area is $2.20. Okay, right there. So let me go ahead and do the play. First area was $2, right? Got to be prepared to eat off the market around $2. That's 4.18% profitability into the market. Next area will be around 9.66 profitability. And then ultimately around $2.20. Now, if we're able to see this price in Algorand on this weekly time frame, okay, let me show you. If we're able to see this price in Algorand on the weekly time frame close at the high of this bar, then definitely $2.20 will be in tow, will be in line for to be tagged right there. Okay, but we have to see this market close at the high of this bar. If we don't, then that $2.20 price that we're predicting is not going to happen. It's not. And I'm gonna keep it real with you. It's not going to happen. So let's see how the market ends on this weekly price bar to determine if we're going to be able to reach up there to that $2.20 price. All right, so let me take you back over to the daily. And currently, as long as this market price is able to hold support right here above $1.80, we're golden. The market's going to continue to shoot up higher in price. I'm going to bring it down to 170 though, to give us a cushion to allow this market to go down, right? And that's it. Here we are. This is our updated price prediction into the market in Algorand. Before I go, let me show you how the market ended on the month, right? This is how the market in Algorand concluded on the month of September, right here. Okay, now we got to be careful, because we're not going to be fooled into thinking that last month was a very positive month in Algorand, because it wasn't. Look at the volume. Look at where we closed for the month of September. There was a lot of selling going on into the market in Algorand. So even though we are predicting the price in Algorand to go up, let's not be extremely bullish on this, because based off what happened last month, we can actually still expect the market to try to come through with more selling. It's not over yet. So this is going to be a very short prediction. This is not one of those you hold out for the next 6 to 7 months. No, it's not. This is only on a daily time frame, maybe a weekly perspective, that we can see this price in Algorand go up. So let's not try to be greedy, right? Just because you see this market go up, your emotions get toned in, and you think the market will forever go up, and then all of a sudden it just completely goes down, right? So let's keep an eye on where the market closed on the weekly time frame in Algorand. This is our updated price prediction. We got 3 areas to take profit out into the market, presumably $2, $2.10, and $2.20. Now, this is what I'm seeing, right? You might see something totally different on the price chart. You might have seen something that I didn't talk about. If so, drop me a comment right now. Tell our community, tell everyone what is your price prediction in the market in Algorand. It's just that easy, just that simple, nothing hard, nothing complicated. This is what we do. Join me. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.